In this short video, let us look at the joint entropy of two independent random variables. So, we have two random variables x, y. These are which are independent. So, if two random variables are independent, this basically means that the joint probability density p of x, y is basically equal to the product of p of x and p of y. So now our goal is to prove that the joint entropy h of x, y is equal to h of x plus h of y, which are basically entropies of the variables x and y respectively. So the definition of joint entropy is h of x, y equals minus integral p of x, y, that is the joint density, multiplied by logarithm of p of x, y. Integration over x and y. And we also know that the entropies of x and y are minus p of x log p of x dx, and h of y is equal to minus log p of y, basically integral p of y log p of y dy. So now let us call this 1 and call this equation 2. So using 1 and 2, we can write that h of x, y, that is joint entropy, is equal to minus double integral p of x, y logarithm of p of x into p of y. So that is the key idea for this separation. So dx dy, which basically results or splits this integral into a sum. That is a sum of two integrals, p of x, y log of p of x dx dy, since log of ab is equal to log of a plus log b, and minus p of x, y log of p of y dx dy. So there is no there is no y in this probability density, so this integral can be rewritten as basically integral p of x, y dy multiplied by log of p of x dx, and same thing can be done for this integral, that is p of x, y dx log of p of y dy, and this integral is nothing but p of x, so and this integral is nothing but h of x, and this integral is p of y, and then this integral becomes the definition of h of y. Hence h of x, y, that is the joint entropy, is equal to the sum of the entropies, that is h of x and h of y, provided x and y are independent of each other. So by extension, this theorem can be applied to multiple random variables that are independent of each other, that is h of x1 up to xm, that is there are m random variables that are independent of each other, that is the joint probability density is equal to product of the individual probability densities or marginal probability densities, then their joint entropy is equal to the sum of m equal to 1 to capital M h of xm. So it is the sum of the individual entropies. Thanks for watching.